We all know I like to spend money, but I may have found a way to help stay within budget. Let's talk about this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about digital cash envelopes. What do I mean by that? Well, our normal traditional cash envelopes look something like this, where we have cash that is physical and you can hold it and count it and pay for stuff with actual money. But we do live in a modern world where digital money is largely preferred. So for the people who like the budgeting aspect of the physical cash envelopes, this digital program or app may be for you. Qube Money, this video is not sponsored, but Qube is a type of digital cash envelopes. Now, how does this work? You deposit money into your account like normal, and then you can budget each cube or envelope to whatever you have set. So for instance, I use this card. This is my personal card. I use this card for my spending online. So one of my cubes is for Amazon. And I have a set budget for Amazon that I put on this card. So once I have that in my account, then I go to Amazon to make a purchase. Well, this card has no value until I activate on my phone the cube that I want to make a purchase from. Once I activate it, I go in, I set Amazon purchases for the Amazon cube, and then I can make a purchase with the money that is in that particular cube. Okay, so it's the same as me having an Amazon envelope with a set number of cash, and this is all I can spend. It's the same concept, it's just digital. Now, pros and cons. I personally like the physical cash envelopes for a variety of reasons. I am a spender and I tend to save more if I do not have it easy to access. This is essentially my savings binder, my sinking funds. I have this one and I have my savings challenges. This money is saved for specific purposes versus my cash envelopes, which is the money I'm allowed to spend. Now, the pro of the digital cash envelope is this helps with modern society. So it's so much easier to pull out a card and pay for something, especially when you're in a hurry. You can just pull out your card, activate your cube, and go about your business. Now, the cons, okay? A lot of people don't like having a lot of cash on them. Some people think, oh, I have to carry around this binder with me everywhere I go when I go shopping. I never take this binder anywhere, to be honest. But I get their point. some people put, you know, $200-300 in groceries. You don't really want to carry that much cash. I get it. So that's where the card comes in handy. However, the con that I have found with the Qube card, and maybe it's just me and my particular bank, but depositing money into the account can take up to 5 days. That's a long time to have your money tied up. Now, that's why I only use this card as a spending card. This is not for necessities. This is not for bills. This is not to save money. This is 100% what I'm allowed to spend online purchases. I use my Qube card. I don't, generally speaking, use this for necessities like groceries or whatever, because I need that money quicker than the 5 days it usually takes to deposit money into my account. I'm not entirely sure why it takes 5 days, because my money is usually gone the next day. So my bank shows that Qube took the money out, but Qube does not deposit the money until 5 days later. So that is one con for me that I really don't like, but it's not that big of a deal because, like I said, I only use this for spending. And for a spender, it actually helps me spend less because I don't have the money right now. One of the big things that I am trying to do is pay off my credit cards and pay down my student loans, pay off my debt entirely. But I am a spender, so that is more difficult for me than it would be a saver. And this actually has helped me curb that spending, I gotta have it now mentality. Obviously, I don't use cash to buy stuff online. And yes, I can use my debit card or I can use my credit card and then pay it back. That is an option, and that is what a lot of people do. But like I said, I want to pay off my credit card. I don't want to keep using it right now. So that's where Qube comes in handy. I really like this program, the app, the way that it's designed. I will insert a photo so that you can see how Qube works. I will also leave a link so that you can go to their website and read about it if you have more questions. I'm not an official spokesperson or anything. I'm just sharing my experience. This is not a sponsored video or anything, but I am sharing how I try to curb my spending personality. And it seems to be working right now. I'll let you know an update in a couple of months, but this really seems to help me spend less because it keeps me on my budget. I only have a certain amount to spend, and this only allows me to spend that certain amount. And I like that the different cubes need to be activated by me, that I can't just go and, you know, buy something with this card. I have to physically activate it to purchase. So that's awesome. It makes me more conscious of what I'm doing with my money. Now, I am not going to give up my cash envelopes for anything right now. This system has truly helped me pay off my debt and save money, far greater than any other system that I've tried in the past. I do like having the physical money. I'm not gonna lie, I do. It shows me that my money is more than just a number in a bank, and that helps make it more real. Like, this is mine, and I need to save and pay off debt. Those are the two goals. But the digital cash envelope system with Qube is also very handy as well. And this helps me with my spending because I am still sticking to my budget, and Qube helps me maintain that control. I'm allowed to spend money, but I'm only allowed to spend the limits that I set for myself. And that is what a spender needs, starting out especially, to gain that self-control over money. It's all about money management. And when you are able to manage money well, then you can be less strict with your budget. But right now, I have to be very strict. Otherwise, I can get out of control very quickly. So I'm doing my best to try to help me for the future. And so far, this is working. And I highly recommend trying the cash envelope system, whether it's the physical or the digital. It will help you save money and get out of debt if you stick to your budget. So that's all I have for today. This is just a short video sharing my thoughts between the two, but if you like this content, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I post 2 to 3 videos a week, and all my content revolves around cash budgeting. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.